Besides the manual reinforcement functions and the automated reinforcement, you will also find many other useful Python parts for reinforcing your models. For example, the form finder components. The required Python part is selected and adapts itself to the selected parts. Then select which reinforcement is needed. And you are done. The reinforcement can also be adjusted as usual. In the Python part editor you will find whole parts with reinforcement. Here, too, you define what is needed. And if there are adjustments later, just double-click on the Python part and change the settings as you like. In the library you will find a lot of Python parts, with and without reinforcement functionalities. Just have a look.